More than 1 in 4 adults in the U.S. plan to make their mental health a priority in 2024. In a new poll by the American Psychological Association, more than 2,000 people were asked about their New Year's resolutions. Boosting mental health was on 28% of the lists. Participants say they hope to reach that goal through increased exercise, more meditation, therapy, and journaling. The president of the APA says New Year's is a good time for trying something new, but in mental health, just like physical health, maintenance matters. He says, preserve your healthy routines, maintain your relationships with loved ones, and take good care of yourself as well as the people around you. Other resolutions related to mental wellness included focusing more on spirituality, cutting back on social media, and using a mental health app. And like most years, increasing physical activity, watching over finances, and improving diet are also popular promises in 2024.